A deadly encounter between a driver and a man panhandling on the I-35 service road is now raising new questions about soliciting money on Austin streets.
Now, it happened on July 24th near Tech Ridge Boulevard. Witnesses told police Zachary Page was asking for spare change when he started banging on a vehicle's window and then eventually broke it with a pocket knife. Police say the driver shot and killed Page. Now, that driver isn't facing charges. KVUE's Jessica Cha spoke with Austin police about where panhandling is legal and when it can cross the line.
You've seen them at intersections across Austin. People holding up signs, standing near medians, and talking to stop drivers. Panhandlers are a familiar part of a daily commute.
But in this particular panhandling case, things got violent. On July 24th, police say a man was standing at the intersection of I-35 Frontage Road and Tech Ridge when he was banging on a car window asking for change. Police say he then pulled out a pocket knife and used it to break the car's window, and the driver inside shot him.
Aggressive panhandling does take place. There are instances where we've had to respond in situations similar to what occurred.
We sat down with Lieutenant Marcos Johnson with Austin Police to talk about panhandling. Turns out it is legal to panhandle in Austin thanks to a camping ban ordinance Austin City Council reinstated in 2021. But Johnson says there's a difference between peaceful and legal panhandling and illegal panhandling.
Peaceful panhandling is any solicitation that's done in a public place, such as a sidewalk. The person is calm with their demeanor. They're giving the other person the ability to disengage from the request.
So Johnson says that could look like a person walking up and down a raised median with a sign who isn't in the road.
Legal panhandling, we go back to someone who might be becoming very aggressive. They're threatening. They're trying to use violence to solicit.
He says that could look like someone blocking someone's path or their car, using a weapon, and being in the roadways. We reached out to the city of Austin to ask why panhandling is allowed at all. They said no one was available to speak with us. But Johnson says anyone has the right to peacefully panhandle in a public space. And drivers have rights to peacefully refuse it as well.
They could always respectfully decline. If they feel like the person is not taking no for an answer, they can call 911. They could record the incident so that way we have that information.
So police say the bottom line is simple. Asking for help is legal, but threats and dangerous behavior aren't. In Austin, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.